Hello friends, today I introduce a new tool of Exos Mini OBD tool. I will explain you how to update the tool, what function this tool is contain one by one. First we update this tool, then we see what function this tool is contain. This is the tool. This is OBD port, connect to the car, USB-C pin, connect to computer for update, and this one is kitchen. So let's connect to the computer and first we update this tool. Find device, so this is the current version of tool 1.0.9 and we are upgrading this tool to 1.1.6. click to upgrade. This is 4 step of update. At this stage upgrade will complete. Now upgrade completed. Now let's see the functions of KeyTool Max with connecting with KeyTool Max. Connect Mini OBD to KeyTool Max. Now this is Wi-Fi firmware update. For Wi-Fi firmware update, go to setting, change the connection mode to Bluetooth method to Wi-Fi connection. Back, cancel. Need to reconnect the device. Connect successful again. Update. Continue. It will take 1 to 2 minutes. So now Wi-Fi firmware update successful. Please reconnect the device. Okay. So now we see the functions of Mini OBD tool. First function is emo programming. In emo programming you can see Fiat, Ford, Honda, Hyundai, Mahindra, Maruti Suzuki, Nissan, Renault, Tata, Toyota, Volkswagen. So this all car contain in emo programming. Apart from that, 8A emo box all keylost functions also contain. For that you require all keylost adapter 8A. Also you can do with VVDI2 tool. For that you also require 8A emo box adapter. vehicle diagnosis. This function will come in soon in next update. Also maintenance light function is also coming soon in next update. So this is all about mini OBD tool functions and what mini OBD tool will do, and when this tool reach to you, what step by step procedure to do activity of tool.